Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is super exciting because we're unboxing not one, not two, but the entire brand new iPhone 17 lineup. The iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and the big boy. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's 2025. Flagships are finally here, and we're going to check out everything inside the box, the new design, and of course, give you that first look experience. So let's dive right in. First up, the standard iPhone 17. The box is slimmer than before, with Apple's minimalistic design. Lifting the lid, and here it is, the iPhone 17 in all its glory. This year, Apple introduced new colors, and the one I have here is Say Your Color. Inside the box, as expected, we get the phone itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable. Yes, Apple has completely moved away from Lightning. Some paperwork with the SIM ejector tool. No charging brick, of course, but we're all used to that by now. Next, the iPhone 17 Pro right out of the box. It feels more premium with its titanium frame, just like last year's Pro models, but even lighter. Apple claims it's the strongest Pro yet. Inside, same minimal packaging, USB-C cable, documentation, and that's pretty much it. But the real excitement is the phone itself. The Pro model now comes with Apple's A19 Bionic chip, which promises even faster performance and better power efficiency. Plus, the promotion display now goes up to 144 Hz, making scrolling and gaming buttery smooth. And finally, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the ultimate iPhone experience in 2025, lifting the lid. Wow, this thing is massive and stunning. The Pro Max comes with the largest display ever on an iPhone, and the bezels are slimmer than ever, almost giving it an edge-to-edge look. Inside the box, same setup, USB-C, cable and documents, but it's really the phone that steals the show. The Pro Max is where Apple packs in all its latest tech. The periscope telephoto lens for insane zoom, a 4.8 MP main sensor, and next-gen AI features for photography and video. This is definitely the iPhone creators and power users will love. So here's the full iPhone 17 family. iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. They look gorgeous together. Apple is pushing design, performance, and camera features further than ever this year. Over the next few days, I'll be testing out these phones in detailed camera comparisons, gaming, battery life, and more. So make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss any of those videos. Which one would you pick, the iPhone 17, the 17 Pro, or the Pro Max Beast? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.